Flexible packaging is widely used around the world because it's lightweight, cost-effective, and compatible with high-speed packaging lines. But as packaging designs become more advanced, printing inks need to do more than just look good. They must also run smoothly on machines and perform reliably during filling and sealing. That's where fatty acid amides help. In flexible packaging inks, fatty acid amides are commonly used in ink formulations as pigment dispersants and surface modifiers. First, better dispersion. During ink production, fatty acid amides act as grinding aids, helping pigments spread evenly and stay stable. The result is smoother ink flow, consistent viscosity, and more reliable color strength, especially important for high-quality graphics. Second, better surface performance. After printing and drying, fatty acid amides can slowly migrate to the surface and form a thin, lubricating layer. This helps control the COF, so printed films slide smoothly through laminators, slitters, and form fill-seal machines, reducing sticking, blocking, scratches, and downtime. One key tip: COF is not instant, it changes over time. For accurate results, measure COF after the ink fully dries, often 24 hours or more. And like any migrating additive, dosage must be balanced to avoid issues in lamination or heat sealing. At Topwellgoal, we supply high-quality fatty acid amide additives tailored for flexible packaging inks and coatings. If you want to improve dispersion, surface slip, and runnability, partner with Topwellgoal.